guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this super cute ring holder. It cost me like maybe $2, maybe took 2 minutes to make. Seriously, that's why the video is 2 minutes long, is because it was so easy. So here are all the supplies that I'm going to be needing. I just took the wood, said this is the way I want it to go, and then I went and made like little dots of where I wanted all of my hooks to go with a Sharpie. Then I had to open that stupid box that took forever. And then I took like a tinier drill bit than the screw there, and I just drilled it in a little bit, like halfway through the wood, and then took those little cute little C hooks and spun them in the holes I just made it.
All ambition or worldly acclaim. I just want to be the one you love. I've lost all ambition.
So originally I was just going to do like a framed back and take a picture frame like thing off the back, whatever that device is called, but I couldn't find one small enough, and so I was like, oh, I'll just use this twine I have and then hang it up above my shelf. And so that's what I'm doing here, just creating holes, putting the twine in, and tying little knots. And here's the finished product, next to a photo of me and my dad and a mirror on my shelf. I love it.